Good morning. I'm Nan Montgomery, Warren County SNAP Education Assistant, and today we're going to make easy bean enchiladas. So the first thing that your family is going to want to start out with is 3.5 cups of pinto beans, or I'm going to take the simple way out and I am going to use refried beans, because if you don't know, a refried bean is already a pinto bean, but it's already been smushed up for you. So it saves a few steps there. So you'll take your 3.5 cups of refried beans and put them in a bowl. And then we are going to take 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And this is going to give us some nice flavor for our enchiladas. If you don't have chili powder, feel free to use whatever ingredients that you have in your pantry. Maybe you have some cumin, garlic powder, whatever that you have, feel free to use that. Then you're going to take a spoon and you're going to mix this up. And this is something that's going to be really fun for your kids to do. I know schools are out and maybe your kids are bored. This is going to be a great opportunity for you to be able to teach them how to cook, maybe some measurements, and then for them just to be able to help you out in the kitchen. I know my little girl loves to make these with me at home because it's something easy she can do. So after you have your chili powder mixed in with your refried beans, then you are going to take your tortillas and you will take a damp wet paper towel, and you're going to want to put these in the microwave with your wet paper towel for 45 seconds. It's going to make them warm, and it's also going to make them more easier to work with once you've warmed those up. So I've already done this, and then now we are ready for our mixture. We're going to take our bean mixture, and we are going to spread this onto our tortillas. And we are going to do my favorite part, which is cheese. I absolutely love cheese. This is going to be a great way for you to get some of that extra dairy into your diet. So we have 1/2 cup cheese, so you're going to sprinkle that onto your tortilla. And then you are going to roll your tortilla and you will place it into your pan, which I actually forgot. You need to spray your pan, because if you don't spray your pan, I learned this the hard way, your tortillas will stick and you won't be able to get them out. So spray your pan, and then after you rolled your tortillas, you're going to place them in there. And this is going to be a really quick, easy meal for your family. I know if you've been to the grocery store lately, they have been out of a lot of ingredients. If maybe you're trying to make spaghetti, they don't have noodles, but they are going to have spaghetti sauce. Or maybe you're doing a Mexican dish like this, they'll have tortillas, but they won't have the beans that you need. So this is going to be a really quick and easy meal that your family can do, and you don't have to worry about a ton of ingredients. And it's also going to be budget friendly, because I know during these times, there's not a lot of food, and people maybe not may have been laid off with their jobs, and so this is going to be a dish that can maybe help your family out financially, and also get a lot of vitamins and nutrients that you need. It's also meatless, so protein can be one of the most expensive things on your grocery budget, and so this is going to be a great way that you can use beans as a substitute and still get that protein that your body needs every day in order to function. And so once you fill these out, you are going to put these in your oven, and you are going to cook these at 350 for 20 minutes. After your tortillas have cooked for that 20 minutes, then my favorite part, once again, you get to add more cheese onto them, and then you will get to top them with salsa. If you don't have salsa, don't worry about that. Your family doesn't have to use it. The salsa is actually an optional part of the recipe, but I just think it gives your recipe a little bit more kick and makes them delicious. The nutrition education program is still up and running, even though we're having to practice social distancing. So maybe you're a formal client and you've seen me and come to my classes. Follow us on Facebook at Warren County NEP, and you will be able to see all of these recipes and get all this information. You can also email me, nan.montgomery@uky.edu, or call our office to get in touch with me at 270-842-1681. And remember, like our Facebook page so that you can keep up with all these recipes, and have a great day. Thank you.